cool. This is cool. Yeah. Tough to turn around.
It's a shitty spot to get out of, that's for sure.
Yeah.
God for all those bananas, Rick.
Yeah. No cramps. Yeah. I don't know if you're selling me on it, Mike. I don't know if you're selling me on it today. Yeehaw. I don't think I'm gonna have the tire for that. I'm stronger than I am skilled. I'd rather push. I took the safe way and pushed. Good exercise. It's hard with not knowing what it looks like too. Attaboy, Mike.
Kevin's bringing it out again. That's where they fucking put a corner in a hill. Oh, fuck. He makes it look fucking great. He's a good rider.
Well, and a corner and a big dirty rock and root right in the middle.
Perfect.
Just what we like to hear.
Big dirty fucking root. I think like cutting down is a better line. Because there's like a few roots on the top side.
Yeah, it looks like it's getting worse on the
top.
Yeah, on the left there.
Following the main path, kind of.
Because I tried going around that tree because it's just easier.
Yeah.
But he went left last time and went down my side, close to that light. Oh yeah, see, it's fucking. You make it there, you're fine.
So you got to get around the corner with a little speed.
Get around the corner and then still have some momentum.
Okay. this hill before. Piece of piss, honestly. Honestly, not bad at all. Yeah. Yeah, they do some filming. Got it, Mike. Beauty. this is cool.
Sick.
Yeah.
I found it.
This is where you found the antlers?
No, antlers are at the step up. Right before, I'll show you where.
Yeah, this is sick.
Fucking Davis and Brad rode right by them.
The antlers?
were the
Wow, look at the rock. I remember this one was a bit icy last. Oh yeah, I remember this one's gnarly too. I did not know what this looked like the last time and just went blasting up the ledge on the left. Knowing what's there is better or not. Sometimes it's better just to hit stuff without thinking about it. It's in a guy's head a little too easy. Options in here. I love it. There's options for every skill level. Some stuff's hard, some stuff's not so bad. This little hill, I remember, was a bit of a party last time too. Man, would I suck at trials. He's over there. clutches. I used all of it that time. That's a good hill. Proud of my hill climbing today. Usually I fucking suck. So today is a good day. Attaboy, Randy. I went straight up. The sideway, I think.